guys, today we are going to draw a little car. It's a very simple vehicle to draw, so everyone can do it. Just grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's start. First we draw two circles. These will be the wheels of our car. Try to make them about the same size. Don't worry if they are not perfect. Drawing is all about having fun. Next, we draw the body of the car. Above the wheels, add a long curved line. Then draw another rounded line to make the roof. Connect the line so the car has a nice, smooth shape. Now let's add a few details. You can draw small circles inside the wheels to make the rims. Add a little window, maybe a door, and even some headlights in the front. Your car is starting to look great already. And voila, our car is finished. Now it's time to color it. I really like the color red, so I'm going to color my car red. But you can choose any color you like. Blue, green, yellow, or maybe even a rainbow car. What color will your car be?